All right, we are starting a new chapter on graphing and solving equations. So what you need to be successful is graph paper, or you could print off the printed notes. I think that'd be a lot easier today since we are doing graphing. And have a pencil and a calculator just in case you need it. Today we're plotting points on the coordinate plane. So the coordinate plane is formed by an x-axis and a y-axis, and then it's divided into 4 quadrants, and the center is called the origin. You don't need to write any of these definitions down, but you should label the parts. So here we go. Here's a picture of it. Going side to side, what's red is called the x-axis. So make a line that's going side to side, that's the x-axis. And up and down, that's blue, that's called the y-axis. And here on the top right is called quadrant 1. And then we go counterclockwise. This is quadrant 2, then quadrant 3, and then quadrant 4. So these are in Roman numerals, so make sure you write down what they are in Roman numeral, and then next to it write regular numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the origin is right here at the center at 0, 0. So when we plot points, we always start at the origin. To the right is positive numbers, and to the left is negative. So we'll go right or left first, and then up is positive and down is negative. So we're going to slide right or left first, and then we'll jump if it's positive or drop if it's negative. So what we're going to do is look at some points that are plotted, and we're going to say what the point is. So for R, I start at the origin. Here's R, and I slide to the right 1 point. Positive 1, to the right is positive. And then I jump up 3 spaces, and up is positive, so that point is 1, 3. Okay, point S, start at the origin again. I don't have to slide left or right because it's right below me. So the first number is 0. And then I have to drop down to get to S, so that's negative. I drop down 3 places, that'd be negative 3. Okay. Point T is to the left. So I slide to the left, which is negative, so that'd be negative 2. And then I go up to positive 2 spaces. So it's negative 2, 2. All right, last one. You try to write down the coordinates of point U. Okay, point U is to the left, so that's negative 3. And I don't jump or drop, it's right on the line, so it'd be negative 3, 0. Okay, now what we're going to do is, given a point, graph it. Okay, so letter A says 3, 4. So the first number tells me if I should go to the right, if it's positive, or left, if it's negative. The second number tells me if I should go up or down. Up is positive, down is negative. So I'm going to slide to positive 3 from 0, the origin, slide to positive 3, and then I'm going to go up to positive 4 and make a dot. That's my point plotted. Okay, next I'm going to slide to positive 4 and jump or drop 0. So slide to positive 4 and don't jump or drop. Just put the dot right on the axis. Okay, letter C and D, you guys try those too. Pause the video. I'm going to do the answer now. So I'm going to slide to negative 4 and go up to positive 4, put a dot. Okay, and then I'm going to slide to -1 and drop it down to -3 and put a dot. Okay, all right. Next, what we're going to do is find the distance between 2 points. So I'm going to find the distance between K and L. So here's K and here's L. What I'm going to do is count the spaces, not the lines. So this is 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I'll write 3 units. Okay, you guys find the distance between M and N. Pause the video and find the distance. Oops, I made a mistake. I didn't look at this scale, and this is counting by 2's. So each space is 2. So this would be 2, 4, 6 units between K and L. And between M and N, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and each is worth 2, so that'd be 12 units. All right, now we're going to plot these points and find the distance. So I'm going to plot the point -2, 4, and 6, 4. See how the y-coordinate is the same? So -2, slide to -2, jump up to +4, slide to +6, jump up to +4. This scale is just counting by 1's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. Okay, you guys do number 2. Pause the video and try it. All right, did you guys get 6? 6 units? If you didn't, you might have graphed your points wrong.